Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of the PlayStation 5. So I just picked this up and I'm so excited. The irony of all this is I'm actually an Xbox fan. That's what I've had for years. I did have a PlayStation going back, I think maybe 7-8 years ago. Then I sort of moved on to the whole Xbox because of the whole ecosystem in terms of compatibility with various programs out there. But yeah, so this is the PS5 and this is I'll just quickly rip this here. This is the one with the CD drive, so as it says here, the CD drive, and it's also got 825 gigabytes of RAM, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. So yeah, I think it's an 8K console. So let's quickly open this up. One of these are tilted down this way. Hope you guys can see it. I'll show you as it comes. So this is empty. There's this place at the back there. This is for the serial number. Okay. Yeah, that's for the serial number. And you have, this sits up. You have the PlayStation logo there. Very simple. It's been the same. I mean, I remember when I had PlayStation 1 in Nigeria, I had a game called Gold Storm. That was the life. So again, let me just tilt this down so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then voila. So things start falling out, obviously having it down. This comes out. And in here you have, let's see what we got in here. The UK lead, that's for the UK power adapter. The remote control. Really does feel good actually. Yeah, it really does feel good. USB Type-C, that's impressive. So this is perfect because my phone, I happen to use a Samsung who's got the USB Type-C, so the same charger. PlayStation button there. I like. And there seems to be some contacts there, so I'm guessing that's for wireless charging or things along that line. Just pop that down for now. Here you get, let's see what's in here. Well, you get 3 books, safety guide, quick start guide, and guarantee. Then this opens up and you have, comes with a HDMI cable by the way, so that's really impressive, huh? Okay. It's got a really nice feel to it actually. Yeah, there's a slight bend indent in the thing, and you have the let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like a mount. It's got some grip there. I'm guessing it rotates or something. Oh yeah, and it's kind of got a blue tint to it actually. Okay, so that comes with it as well. So I'll keep this down for now, and I'm guessing the bad boy is what's left in here. Man, this thing is heavy. Let's just make sure it's empty here. Yeah, that's empty. Put this down. That's just to hold it in place. Wow, the weight of this console is no joke. Doesn't sit even though, so I'm guessing that's what this might be for. Oh wow. No jokes, this thing is big. Where am I gonna put it? Wow. Guys, you have it here. This is the PlayStation. The Sony PlayStation. It's sort of embossed well, it's sort of drilled through. Nice rough texture. At the back you've got 2 USBs, an Ethernet cable, a HDMI, and the power outlet. So you don't have any brick with this. No, the weight of this thing is insane. At the top here, nothing. It looks like an alien spaceship. You've got Sony sort of written there anyway. On the base. And then in the front, you've got this HDMI fast charger, USB Type-C, SSD port, And I'm guessing this is, okay, eject button and the power button. And what's underneath this? You just have vents, PlayStation 5, Sony. Not bad. Oh yeah, at the top you have the thing for security. You know, like for laptops, they've got one of those there. It's interesting. There's a slight coloration there. I'm not sure what that is. But yeah. Wow. Very interesting actually. On the inside, this is pretty cool. You have the PlayStation buttons, the square, the triangle, the X, embossed on the inside. Not so much on the outside. It would have been nice if it was on the outside, I guess. But yeah, so there we go, guys. This is the PlayStation 5. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any questions, I will try my best to answer you. It's big. Just don't know where I'm going to put this, because I normally have all my things behind the TV or in a, you know, and I got a Xbox there already, so might have to do it with one of them, or put this on top of the Xbox. But then again, it's heavy. I mean, it's really heavy. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, comment below, like, share, and yeah, look forward to whatever questions you might have. Take care and God bless. Bye.